We're canyoneering in Utah's Grand Staircase-Escalante. We've got nearly 2 miles of canyon to explore before our exit point.
Well, this is tight in here.
Nice, Jack. Awesome. Perfect. Make it look easy, man.
While we often associate canyoneering with using ropes, we're quickly learning this sport is all about friction and leverage.
Getting tight. Real tight.
Finding creative ways to safely squeeze yourself through tight spaces or down from great heights.
Back against the wall. I'm not hanging, just pushing backwards. Okay, let the friction do the work, right?
Friction.
And you shoot a foot forward a little bit there. Perfect.
Most impressive are the different techniques you and a partner can use to get down steep rock walls that would normally seem impossible without ropes.
All right, old Jack's got it.
All right, yeah, you
Man,
better.
You gotta get for him, bud. Get for him. This is serious capture. Your footing okay, Jack?
Yep.
Now walk up to his shins. You'll push yourself this way a little bit, right, Colton? Just a little, right?
Cool.
Run that right hand on that wall, Colton. Nice job. Nice.
Good.
You good?
Yep.
Perfect, guys.
Well done, team.
All of that friction can take a toll on gear or the cheap pants you decided to wear this morning.
When Rick says, donate a little bit of fabric, this is what he's talking about.
Oh, boy. That means you're doing it right, Colton.
Yeah.
It means you're good at it.
First lesson of the day. Maybe bring a backup pair of pants.
Sandstone canyons like this one were carved out by thousands of years of rain and flooding.
Leaning forward. As long as your feet are on the wall and your butt are on the wall, you're safe, guys.
We're making slow but steady progress towards our first slot canyon, an extremely narrow canyon with sheer walls shooting up on both sides.
So this is pretty crazy. We are dropping down, I would say 15, 20 feet. We're not using a rope because we can actually work our way down without one.
And the reason that we're able to do this without a rope is because the walls are just getting tighter and tighter and tighter.
You've been rappelling, you've been bridging, and now we're gonna put it all together and have some fun.
There you go.
Here we go, baby.
Nicely done. How's it going, Colton?
Good.
2 minute push-ups, you're gonna fit through there.
That's gonna be tight.
Nicely done, gentlemen. Turn, see if you can help our partner, Colton. Nice, good
Wow, yeah, that was a
Fantastic.
good first section.
Rounding the corner, we enter our first true Utah slot canyon.
Oh, look at the light in front of us.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Nearly a quarter mile of curving, smooth sandstone drowned in stunning red pools of red and orange light.
I mean, the sides of these walls, they almost have that appearance of a wave.
It's fantastic.
I mean, it's just slow moving and just wide strokes.
Nearly 20 feet above us are powerful reminders of how slot canyons like these were formed.
Look at just the size of some of these tree limbs.
Oh, man.
They're enormous.
In places like this, an inch of rain up top can quickly translate to 20 feet of raging rapids down in the canyons, carrying rocks, branches, and limbs through at high speeds.
There's no place to be in the rain, right?
It's almost ironic in a sense. Water-shaped, all of these beautiful canyons, we get to come in here and explore them. And the one thing you really got to be looking out for is making sure that there's no water. Yeah.
When a flash flood does rush through, it flushes out nearly everything in its path. That includes wildlife like this tarantula we spotted along the trail.
It's gonna be very small, guys, because it's just, they starve down here. There's no food.
Up top, tarantulas create small burrows where they ambush prey like insects and lizards. Down in the canyon, those food sources are gone. That's why Rick makes the personal decision to gently and carefully transport them out.
It's a pretty good size one.
That's quite literally the first life that we have seen down here. And I mean, so there's no food, and basically when a flood comes in, that's that.
It's over.
Yeah.
And if I saw a spider on top or animals on top, I never touch any wildlife, guys. It's got its own thing going. But down here, they're trapped. It can't go forward, it can't go back, and it's gonna die. And so it's a personal choice for me. I just choose to give them a little second chance and take them up top.
We've got one last descent to navigate before we head for home.
We have a big rappel coming up, guys. It's beautiful, fluted, red chute. You're gonna go right down it.
Oh, man. How tall is it?
It's close to 100 feet, I'd say, at least.
Okay.
So,
Our training has prepared us for this rappel.
all right, here we go. Nicely done. Feet nice and wide. Go to your left. One little step. Perfect. You try and push into the wall, right? So you can shove the rocks into the wall. You look great, buddy. Nice job. Finish strong. We'll get to that fun section.
Woo! Even with the occasional rock dislodging 50 feet above us.
Rock! That was a big one.
Touching flat ground feels amazing.
Woo! Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.